this is a clear-cut sign that you have a moisture problem in your crawl space. Look at this ductwork right here. So this is a duct. It's not even warm in summertime, but it is full of water. I mean, you could wring the water out of this thing. Look at that, it's full of water. That's where the cold air comes through that duct. You've got warm, moist air in this crawl space. It's condensing inside of this, and it's creating a moisture problem. This duct is full of water. You can see it here. That's where water is condensed. I mean, it's got a lot of water in this duct line here. Very, very moist back here.